My name is Kenny. Before I start, I would like to give you a question. Okay. What is this? It's a candy. But do you believe a candy like this can treat the disease? I kind of doubt that, and that's what I'm going to talk about today. The magical placebo effect. Okay. So today we're going to go through what is a placebo effect, why it works so significant, and its utilization today. The placebo effect, to define that, it is the ineffectual treatment for a disease intended to deceive to patients. As the record shows, there are over a quarter patients has been saying that their pain got relieved after having a placebo treatment. However, not only the patient saying that, also the doctors. Even the doctors were saying, made a claim that by observation, the patient's sickness and disease were dramatically removed. Doesn't it sound magical? Well, I think there's a big chance they could be lying. But in order to dispel the doubt, there been said a test called double-blind test. Double-blind test. So what is this double-blind test? Basically, we can just say a double-blind test is to give the patient a fake drug. However, neither the patient nor the researchers know who is receiving the real one, who is receiving the fake one. And the results turns out, yes, it's actually working. So in Dr. Kane's experiments, he had done a research between two groups of people who suffer depression. And for the first group, he gave the placebo drugs to them. It's been shown that there is a 30% decrease for suicide rate from 100 to 70%. And for the second group, who used the real drug, it shows that there's a 40% change from 100% to 60%. But if you have realized there is only a 10% difference between those, and this actually kind of shocked me. So I begin to wonder what is the real thing is curing the disease. It couldn't be just the candy, right? So I have found out it's called endogenous opiates. Endogenous opiates. What is endogenous opiates? It's a chemical elements in our brain that our brain produce to deliver happiness to us. It can cure the pain and make you feel excited and relax your nervous system, just like having sex and doing sports. Wow. Which means saying that once you believe that the drug is real and your brain just automatically produce those endogenous opiates to you and to fight the disease. And at last, I want to give you some conceptions that how it could be working in today's medical area. According to a research, it has been found that in Danish, 20% of the doctors said they have been applied the placebo treatment to their patients. How about Israel? 60. And for the most common reasons, the very first one, the placebo drug is to placate the patients, and the second one is to avoid those crazy requests of the patients for inappropriate drugs. So far we have learned that what is the placebo effect? The placebo effect is the unreal treatment for real outcome, and endogenous opiates, who is the real hero to help cure the disease, and its utilization is to placate the patients and to avoid the crazy request. Okay, so that's all for today's presentation, and hope you enjoy your candy.